I am going to give you 7 ways to make money with crypto. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherris. In this channel, we talk crypto stocks and Forex. And without wasting time, let's just go to number 1. The very first way to make money with crypto is DeFi. So for those of you who do not know what is DeFi, it's decentralized finance. So basically what it means, when you take your money to the bank, you are going to save it. For example, say you want to save 1,000 rand, and then the bank will take that money and lend it to other people and make 10, 20%, or even 30% with your money. And then what you will get, it's only a portion, which sometimes can be 0.1. So when it comes to DeFi, you will actually take your 1,000 rand. So we are sort of like the banks. And then people will come and borrow money from you, and then that money you get a percentage. Say you put 1,000 rand, depending on what exchange you are using, you will get a certain percentage. So say for example, you put 1,000 rand and then you get 4%. From that 4%, if you sell shares or next year will take their 10% and then the whole 90% comes to you. So that's the first way to make money on crypto, where you actually save, and then from your savings you actually benefit the most. It's not the bank that benefits, but then you benefit. The second way to make money on crypto is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is like basically promoting a product and then you get paid for that. We always promote products. Say for example, you go to a shop and buy a product and then you love that product. You're obviously going to tell people around you, and those people will go buy. But then do you get anything for that? You don't get anything. So with affiliate marketing, whatever you recommend, you get a certain percentage. And that percentage is usually paid in a month, sometimes in 3 months, sometimes in a year. Sometimes you would get that money over and over again. So affiliate marketing is another way where you can promote a product. So other products that you can promote in crypto, products from Binance, products from all these crypto exchanges like your crypto.com, and then most of these crypto exchanges, they usually have an affiliate marketing. So that's why in my video, when you check the video description where it's comments, you would see links, because every time you use those links, I actually get something from that. So next time when you want to create an account, maybe with Binance or any other crypto exchange, just go to my video description and then you see so many links. Something like Easy Equity as well. It's something to do with stocks, but then you can get your referral link and then promote that to people and actually make money from that. So that's the second way you can make money with crypto. The third way to make money with crypto, you can actually learn crypto. So you're basically getting paid for learning crypto. So Binance, I know it offers such a system where you can have a course and then you will learn about that product or a coin, or maybe it's just a terminology, and then you will get paid certain crypto in your account. So you just have to go to Binance and find those courses that actually pays you with crypto. So most launch pads, they will usually launch a coin, and then in order for people to know more about that coin, they will actually give you those coins. So you can go and check in Binance and actually learn and earn. Another way to make money with crypto, you can actually become an NFT creator. So I do have a full video that talks about NFT. It's actually 2 or 3 videos that talks about NFT. So you can go and watch that video to understand what NFT is all about. So NFT is basically where you just create a photo or a video or even music and post as an NFT creator, and people can buy depending on what they like. Then you can get royalties for each and every time your photo is bought by different people. You actually make money. So obviously you create a picture, and people in NFT marketplace, they actually love that picture. It can be of anything, a pig, monkeys are doing well in NFT marketplace, and then create that picture, upload it, and then after uploading that picture, if a person buys it, say you want to sell it maybe say for 500 rand, and someone buys it, that picture actually is owned by that person, and that person can also list it. But every time a person buys, you actually get royalties from that. So that's why I want most people to be NFT creators. But there is a process for you to become an NFT creator. You have to apply, and I actually have a full video on how to do the application, because they are selective when it comes to people they allow into their program. Another way to make money on crypto is Binance P2P. You can be a merchant. So basically what you are doing, you're actually creating a store where you are selling certain cryptos. It's usually 6 or less than 6 of these cryptos. So you can select one and just sell that crypto. So say for example, I want to buy crypto and my bank doesn't allow me to buy crypto. I can go to Binance NFT. It is controlled. It is a system that is controlled by Binance NFT. So you do need to say, yes, I accept, I did receive the crypto. So you do not need to worry about losing your money or sending your money, because these people are verified by Binance. And if you do not get your crypto or if you do not get your money, then Binance doesn't give them their money. So we are protected by Binance. So you can become that merchant. There is also an application that you need to do. It is simple. You can become a Binance merchant and sell crypto. Say for example, you sell something like, maybe let's just say you sell USDT, which is around 14 Rand, 15 Rand, 1 USDT. You can sell that one and then you can charge maybe 15 Rand for each and every one that is bought. You actually make money and you can make money. And there are people who are actually making so much money with P2P. They are actually doing that full time. So there are people who already made like 1,000 orders, and then there are people who are selling up to 200,000 of this. You can start small and just invest 1,000 Rand and sell maybe 200, and the more you make money, you can increase your market, because there is a limit that you can set there and start selling. So guys, this is another way. I am planning to focus on this. I just need to plan it well before I do the application, because once you get approved, you have a certain time to sell certain cryptos, and if you do not sell that amount, then they delist you. So guys, that's another way to make money with crypto. Another way to make money on crypto is to mine crypto. I've done this before. My husband, actually it wasn't me, it was my husband. My husband did mine crypto before. He actually mined Ethereum. So where you buy like these big computers called rig, and then you can just mine. But then the cost of electricity that is needed to run these computers in order to create Ethereum or whatever crypto you're going to create is expensive. So I suggest that if you have a solar or maybe solar panels, then you don't pay for electricity. You use the sun, then you can mine, because the cost is very high. That's why Mining City actually had to stop when they were actually chased away from China. Because remember, China electricity is cheap. So people were mining in China, and then China decided they do not want any miners. That's why Mining City had to stop for a certain period, and now they moved their machines to a different place. So these people made billions and billions from mining Bitcoin vault. So you can mine any crypto. So there are few, it's actually not all the cryptos. There are few cryptos which you can mine. You just have to find those cryptos, find out how to add your computer into that pool and start mining crypto. And this one, you can make serious money from this. I met these girls who were in business in one of these business sessions. Those girls were actually mining crypto and they were making serious money. So this is something that I also want to do. Do remember that I am resigning December. So that's something else that I am planning to do next year, to mine crypto. And at the moment, if you can see my house now, we're busy renovating, and also we are going to add solar panels, and that will allow me to mine crypto. So I am going to be in partnership with this guy called Alfred, and then we are going to mine together. So that's another thing that you can do, which is very good and also easy to make money. All you have to do is just let that computer run, and then you can check now and then if maybe it shuts down or maybe the electricity is not enough. But then do remember, the biggest cost when it comes to this is electricity. So the last one, which is basically an advice that I can give to people, it's not actually a way to make money, but then is a way to make sure that you do not lose your money. As we know that cryptocurrency is volatile. Anytime Bitcoin can go up or even go down. So it can happen with any cryptocurrency. So the best way for you not to lose your money every time you make money, say for example, you invested 5,000 or even 1,000 Rand, let's just say maybe 1,000 Rand, and then now your crypto is 1,500 Rand. Do remove your 500 Rand. Take that 500 Rand and put it in a stable coin. A stable coin is a coin where the market doesn't go up or down. It actually stays around the same amount. For example, it is pegged as a USD. So if it is 14 Rand 99, it will be around that range. So you want to put your money there in a stable coin that doesn't move up and down to keep your profits. And then if it goes up again, and then take your profit always, so that you can always have money, and then you can use that profit to invest more into new cryptos, or you can use that profit as your profit, as money that you will always have. Because then with cryptocurrency, since the market is volatile, it can go up, and then today you can have 50,000, and then tomorrow you might be back to 10,000 because you didn't take your profits. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, comment, and also share the video to many people. Guys, I do plan to grow on YouTube, and it can only happen if you guys help me. Please help me to grow my YouTube channel by sharing this video with more people. Even if you just comment and put a full stop and say hello, the YouTube algorithm doesn't know that you put certain words. Those words that you put, that like that you do, actually contribute in growing this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will enjoy your day.